Hi everyone, this is our first lecture on C language. We will discuss C language in short and we will see how to write a program in C language. So, the developer of C language is Dennis Ritchie. Okay, the developer of C language is Dennis Ritchie. You just have to remember the name. Okay. Second is C is a structured programming language. Okay. C is a structured programming language. Structured programming language means the execution of program will be conducted instruction by instruction. Okay. For example, if there is a first instruction, there is a second instruction, and there is a third instruction. Okay. So the compiler is executing the first instruction. So now you cannot jump to the third instruction, skipping the second instruction. So there is no way in C language to jumping the instruction. You have to execute the first instruction first, and then the second instruction, and then the third instruction. So this is called structured programming language. Okay. And third point is C is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive language. Okay. Case sensitive means the uppercase and the lowercase letter will be treated differently. Okay. For example, for us, DOG dog in capital letters and DOG dog in small letter, both are the same. We know this is the DOG dog and this is also dog, but for C language these both are different because it is a case sensitive language, and in case sensitivity the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter are treated differently. So C language will be treated these both the dogs treated differently. Okay, so this is case sensitivity of a language. So C language is a case sensitive language. Okay, now we will see how to write a program in C language step by step. Okay, in C language, in a C program, we will add header file first. Okay, we will add header file first. Hash include stdio.h. So this is our header file. Okay, and this is the first step. You have to add a header file in C language first. Okay. Now what are the header files? Header files are the files containing some functions. Okay. For example, this header files have print function and scan function. Okay, so we want to use the print function and the scan function, so we have added a header file. We have added this header file in our program. Okay, so header files are the files that have contains some function that we want to use in our code, in our program. Okay, so if we want to use the other function that are not in this header file, if we are using the other function that are not in this header file, then we will include that header file in which those function will be provided. Okay, so now the second step is writing main function. Okay, in every program main function is necessary. If without main function the program will not be executed. Okay, so this is the opening bracket of main function and this is the closing bracket of main function. So everything we want to write in our program, we will write in between these brackets. We will write inside the main function. Everything that is outside the main function will not be executed. Only the things that are inside the main function will be executed. So we will write our code here. Okay, we will write our statements here. So this is the sample of a C program. So guys, this is enough for today's lecture. I hope everything is clear to you. So we will discuss next topic in the next lecture. Okay, thank you for watching the video.